Alright guys, I want to give an update to my Microsoft position today. Now, Microsoft was going through a roller coaster again, pretty much the whole tech market. So if you look at the Microsoft charts today, from the market open, it was popping up pre-market, but then it just straight up dropped all the way gapped down to the bottom to 202. So from 205 to 202 the market open. But then it sort of recovered, and eventually by the end of the day it broke out, and now we're at 207. So if you remember, I had a Microsoft put that's expiring this Friday, and when I was looking at it earlier, the value of these puts were going at 9 cents each. So they were 61 cents each, going all the way down to 9 cents. So at that moment, I decided to sell Microsoft sort of at the open. Microsoft, I sold it and pocketed the profit, about 90% profit of $52, which is more than I like full profit, right? I like full profit of $183, but I was able to pocket $156 out of it, losing $27 in the process. The reason I did that is because I was looking at Microsoft charts, and I was looking at this. If you at the open, so it was 205, it gapped down all the way to the bottom to 202. So I was looking at this chart, and then when I saw this candle here, I was like, this is the reversal candle right here. It's a big hammerhead, some volume, pretty big candle, engulfing previous candle. I saw this and I was like, you know what? I need to close this right now so I can free up my Microsoft capital and sell 3 more cash secured puts at a higher strike price. So remember, the 180 strike price I had before was pretty much worthless at that moment. It was 9 cents each. I sold them all so I can get my money back, my buying power back. So I sold 3 more cover calls, 3 more cash secured puts at 192.5 when Microsoft was at 202.53. So pretty much near the bottom of this, on our way back up, I sold the cash secure puts. So as you can see, I am pretty much rewarded for that because Microsoft was trading up and up, and it was going really high today. So far, the new 3 sets of cash secure puts I have 75% profits on it, and I made $117 right there out of the possible $156. So right now it's looking really good, and this is a simple demonstration of management, because when you need the capital, you need to get out of this. So I got out of this at the cost of $27 in profit in order to make $156 possible profit. So that's a really good move on my part. And as I explained earlier, candlestick action is very, very important. If you want to trade this successfully, you have to understand how candlestick action works. Of course, this is not going to work 100% of the time, but you need to make sure you manage your positions properly if you want to maximize your profit. So that is the lesson in Microsoft. In other news, Fastly was going quite a bit nuts today. I mean, it went up another $1.80. So at the moment, my cash covered calls are currently down 159%, but that's totally fine. That's just potential profit that I missed out on, because in any case, I am pocketing the $410 profit there. So looking at this Friday, it's looking really good. If I'm able to close this Friday, by this Friday, if I'm able to get everything in order, I should be able to profit almost 900 something in profits this week. But depends on what's going on tomorrow or the next few days. I might close this Microsoft out again as well at a near full profit, and then just roll it for more cash secure puts on Microsoft expire this Friday, just to squeeze as much profit as I can out of this week. So yeah, that's it. Everything's looking great. Even though the market's not looking so great, like Tesla is going crazy after market, we are still doing excellent, in my opinion, on our selling of options in a venture. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and keep in touch, and I'll see you guys in the next video.